Hello everyone and welcome back to another ScoreCEO tutorial video. My name is Jasmine, your ScoreCEO expert, and on today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a reconsolidation report inside of ScoreCEO. But before we begin, I want to go over with you the purpose of this report and what it is inside of ScoreCEO. So the main purpose of this report is to show you all of the consumers that have a balance that's owed. With this report, it'll download an Excel spreadsheet and it'll show you every single person in your database that has a balance. Okay, so this will export with the customer's full name, with their social, and the balance that's owed. So now that we understand basically what this does, I'm going to show you how you can go inside of your ScoreCEO portal and you can achieve that report. So the first thing that we want to do is make sure that you're signed in to ScoreCEO. Currently, I'm already signed in. What we want to do is use this left side menu that we see here and go all the way down to the invoice area. Since it is a billing feature, we will always find anything that has to do with billing inside of the invoice area. Now that we're here, we're going to go to where it says reports, and this is located under consumer invoices. Now all we have to do here is click reconsolidation. When we click this, this will download a spreadsheet for us, and here it tells us download started. So once it downloads, I can open up my browser, and let me just minimize this. We can see here the report is available for us in the CSV or Excel spreadsheet. And here we would see that it gives us the consumer's full name, their social, and the amount that is owed. Okay, that's the full balance that's owed. So basically that's how you would create a reconsolidation report inside of ScoreCEO. If you do have any questions or concerns, please feel free to leave a comment down below, or you can always visit our chat box that's located at the bottom right corner of the screen, and we'll be gladly to assist you. So thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and see you in the next one.